Okay, welcome to my unusual comments, and today I'm going to comment about money. Money. I have a definition for money. Money is the weapon that is used to control the world over and over and over, down and up, down and up. Okay, so money is more like a bribing. It's more like a blackmail. It's more like an evil tool. It's more like buy. It's beautiful.
Okay.
It's more like a firecracker.
Mm-hmm.
It's small but dangerous. I mean, just look at this. Long ago, we used to have minerals such as copper, gold, zinc, silver, and today we get papers as money. I mean, can't we just use them for the toilets?
Okay, so if we use money for the toilets, what we're gonna use to buy?
No. I'm saying the idea of using papers as money is a fraud.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a fraud.
So this question is coming. Stop tipping your hands. I'm still rolling the camera. This question is coming. Like, me, I'll ask you some questions and you answer my questions, right? So, without money, how can we survive?
Yeah, I can survive by taking a bunch of plants, maybe like a bunch of
Or
blocks
like here
together,
where you
using a
slept.
cave.
You slept right here, but you said you are making money. You slept right here. How?
It's called working hard instead of
In a
doing the job
wheelbarrow,
hard.
serious, in a wheelbarrow. That's why you slept here, in a wheelbarrow.
Well, that's called working hard, my brother, but I guess you can call it nauseous.
Yeah, I see you, my brother. I see you.
Shut up. Continue. Okay.
Okay, so what's the importance of money?
Money. Yeah, it's very important. You can use it to bribe someone. You can use it to.
So you're only thinking about bribing people.
No, you are only thinking about bribing people. I never said bribing until you use the word in a difficult position in which it's not supposed to be used in any English. It's a very
You are a cheat. You are a very big cheat. You are cheating people and you're lying people. No, stop. Eh?
Invocation.
Eh?
Invocation.
What?
Invocation.
So how can you say that? What's that? Why is it?
Invocation.
No, that's not invocation. I can start talking right here.
A rhyme. Okay. Do you see this?
Yes, I see that.
Yes. Point the camera to this. Do you see this?
Yes.
This, in the 1880s, it could be used as a way to get money. This is
Let me see
still.
it properly. Stop it. Stop. Okay. People, do you see this? What's this?
No one wants to see a metal. Metal. It's useless right now. It's nothing. It's nothing. Okay. It's nothing. It's nothing. What do you want to do with? It's just a piece of nail. It's nothing. It's useless.
So you already hit me. So I'm gonna hit you too. I'm gonna hit you. Next time you're like, because I'm holding a camera. Can I throw this camera at you?
Woo. The cameraman has gone hot. Okay. So I have a story for money. You see, there was a man who was a piece of crap, who used to pick up scrap on the streets. See, he has an idea of sitting next to a person who has money, hoping that person may leave money on the chair. And if that happens, he will sit on that money, waiting for the money to hatch so that he may have more money.
That man isn't you. Isn't it you?
No. I think his name started with a C.
But I think your name starts with a G.
Yeah, but his name started with a C.
But
See the difference? See the difference?
So
See the difference?
no, you look like you're that type of person. Like you're telling your own story. Stop doing that. You look like a baboon.
Bounce. Oh, sorry, I forgot. I just might have zoned out of your action.
Okay, I see you.
What?
You have stopped talking. We're talking about money, you people. Stop talking about my money, you people. I'm in the industry, you people. I'm pushing out, I'm working, you people. I'm in the cameraman. Oh, sorry, Godfrey. You can continue.
When did the world lose its mind? Okay. So off to his next idea, which is to use next he used to walk around on the streets naked. Say, if you don't give me money, I will not put on my clothes.
That's very sad.
Any money. All the things what he got was beatings.
You got beaten.
Serious beatings.
You look like you got scars. Like this. You look like you got
scars of wars. Yes, scars of wars. Yes,
I think you're telling your own story.
Yeah, your own story.
And you look lonely, like you don't have a girlfriend.
I'm talking about your own story. Yes, I'm talking about your own story.
Your story, not
yes,
mine.
I'm talking your own story. Yes, I'm talking your own story.
You look lonely.
Yes. Okay, so off to our next story. You see, there was two men who was with their grandfather. So their grandfather was sick. Yes, and their grandfather told them, down at my house, when you had buy the house, dig it down, you will have found your piles of money. And then the two guys said, okay, what are we waiting for? Let's just kill this old man and go and get the money. And then they killed the old man, went on to dig for the money.
Okay.
So all the fans was not saying, work hard and buy yours. Most of Zambians already know this story. I'm not surprised, no one is surprised.
Okay, I see you.
Okay, so money really isn't a brush. Garage with many things in it which can be used to take over something. And like any garage, it has tools in it which can be used to stab people in behind.
Like you stabbed your grandfather, and you found a letter called "Work hard and buy yours."
Yeah, like you did that. Yeah, the same thing you're talking about. Yeah, like you did that.
Yeah. You don't even know my history, man.
Yeah, you don't know your own history. Yeah, I was talking about that. And also money. One talks about this word, money. It's in every mouth of every person. It's $1 million word. Anyway, so I commented about money, all things money. So subscribe for more videos like this. Make sure you don't miss an episode of The Unusual Comments. And by the way, I'm Kamo Godfrey, and these are The Unusual Comments. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I see you're serious, my man. You're serious. So keep hustling. I advise me as a cameraman for you people to hustle, right, Godfrey? To find more money, right? Is it right?
Welcome to the world where you don't exist.